Have you heard of lean manufacturing? It's a process that helps businesses reduce waste and increase efficiency. By implementing lean manufacturing, businesses can reduce production lead time by up to 90%. That's according to a study by the University of Kentucky. So, how does it work? Lean manufacturing is all about eliminating waste and streamlining processes. This can include things like reducing inventory, improving communication, and optimizing workflows. Let's take a car manufacturer, for example. By using lean manufacturing principles, they can reduce the time it takes to assemble a car from days to hours. In summary, lean manufacturing can help businesses of all sizes reduce waste, increase efficiency, and improve their bottom line. So, what are you waiting for?